Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. In this video, let's have a look at this Zoozee Z50 robot vacuum cleaner. Hope you guys enjoy this video, a little bit different. We're gonna start with the unboxing, a quick one, a walk around, and then we're gonna put it to the test. We're gonna test the mopping, etc. Guys, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Alright, without any further ado, let's have a look at this robot cleaner. Alright, so here we have Zoozee, super large battery life, ultra strong suction power, more efficient gyro navigation, and 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping. So this is basically everything you get in the box. All this stuff. So you got the container that comes already with a mop cloth there, another replacement. You got an extra filter as well that goes in there, remote control with AAA batteries already supplied. Of course, you got the robot itself there, power brick, dock. On the dock you can see the logo there. You have 4 brushes, 1 magnetic tape, so you can avoid like forbidden areas in your home. So just stick this to the floor. You also have the user manual, and we have this cleaning brush tool. All right, let's have a look at the robot itself. So looking at the robot itself, you got the on button there and the power. You got some bumpers here on the back. Of course, you got your dust bin with the filter already pre-installed. Bear in mind that the mop one also has a filter. Flipping this thing around, so you got the 2 brushes at the front. You got 2 extra ones there. You got the brush here that can be removed for cleaning. It's looking good in terms of material, guys. See the rubber there, and you got the wheels there. In terms of material, again, let me try to show you. It's rubber. It looks strong. All right, let's put it to action to see what this robot can really do. The robot is in the dock. It's fully charged now. Okay, so here we are at the studio. Got the robot there. We have the app, the remote control, and some crumbs. We're going to spread it here on the floor, on the studio. Hope the lighting is fine. You have short pile carpet, thicker pile carpet, and we have hard floor. I'm going to test the 3 of them, and I'm going to cover some of the specs of the robot. So this is very straightforward. Auto will start cleaning. You got the different power sections there, so you got 3 levels there. Here, same for the mop. This button will clean around the edges of the room, and this one is the spot cleaning. So if you click that, it will clean a specific area on the floor. We're going to test all that really quick. So first thing first, let's spread some crumbs on the floor. Please don't tell my wife. To start the test, we can use the app or the remote control. Just press auto there. Same on the app, just press on or smart. So let's start with the app, and the robot starts straight away, and you can see it picked everything there. Wow. All right, so let's leave it, do it thing. And because this robot has a sensor of the carpet, in theory, when you get thicker carpet, it should boost the suction power. Even if you set it to the lowest setting, he's ignoring that because he knows it's on the thicker carpet. 1 square meter, 2 minutes of cleaning time, and here you can see the remaining power. and looks like everything, basically everything there, it's gone now. Yeah, I can see the brushes are struggling a little bit on the rotation. I think probably because this carpet's a bit thick. So those brushes are, as you can see, now it looks okay, but sometimes they drag a little bit. Alright, so he's doing that smart movement, S movement throughout the room, and at the same time it's mapping the room. Clever stuff. The app I'm using is the Tuya, and one thing you need to be aware of, the mapping will be lost soon as the robot goes to charge. So the mapping will start all over again every time you use the robot. This one doesn't have the radar system, so be aware of that. Okay, so if you want to operate the robot with a remote, it's very straightforward. So if you put auto, it will start cleaning. Let's just pause it. With the orientation keys, you can rotate it and going forward, for example. If you want to clean a specific part of the floor, you can just go forward and it will clean it, of course. Or it's a good opportunity to test this local focus area. So focus there, and you should do circles around that area there. I tried this before and it's quite good. As you can see, it's going in circles and it cleaned basically every single bit. You still need to try the hard floor. Just because we can, let's now try the edge cleaning here. It's this button. So, in theory, it should detect the edge of the room. Just close this door. Still need to clean that a little bit, we'll go that later, or we just set it to auto and it should clean the entire room. At the moment, it's just going around the edges, pretty smart. While it's doing its thing, you can see here the different functions. You have the wall follow, which is what it's doing now, spiral, random, and manual. You can set your own schedules there. And on the more, you can see the cleaning records. So you'll see all the times the robot has cleaned and the time, everything there. But water control, deep cleaning, fan control, at the moment it's slow. Set to mid, silent mode, and switch on. Do the wall following cleaning. Yeah guys, very straightforward. It's about to go where it started, so went around the room. Okay guys, so I think the robot picked up, every single bit we dropped on the floor. Now I just set it to auto, it's doing its thing, so you don't need to worry about that. And when the battery is low, it will go on its own to the dock for recharging. Let's now test the mopping. So we have the two containers here. I already put some water on this one, and to pour the water in, just put it through there.
Dustbin removed. Water tanks in position.
Mopping mode active. Water control set to high. Alright. Alright, no, probably because this is the first time using the mop. It's not very wet there. So you can see some streaks of water there on the floor. But again, it's doing the nice, clever pattern, the S pattern, back and forward. Let me just try this button. You can also use the section. Okay guys, so it's mopping the floor. Now you can see a little bit more water there. I guess for tiling it's fine. For wood, maybe you need to set it to low. Now let's just try the drop test sensor. I've got an old cloth here so we can test it, and hopefully we don't get the robot damaged. One thing I forgot to mention is, guys, this works with Alexa and Google Home. So thumbs up for that. Alright guys, let's just try it. Wow, scary, but it does work, guys. It's not going anywhere. Fingers crossed. And back to the studio. Alright guys, let's wrap this video. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you guys can check it out, the current price. Yeah, we did our series of tests. Overall good unit. It did the job. It did struggle a little bit on the thicker carpet in terms of the rotating brush, but I guess that's normal according to the manufacturer. Suction power is there, and this one has a big battery. Hopefully we test everything we could and I gave you a good idea of this vacuum cleaner. If you guys found this video helpful, click the like button, and please guys consider subscribing. Thank you very much for your support. Like always, thank you very much for watching, and hope I can see you all in the next one.